So today we're going to talk about how to graph log functions. So the first thing you want to do is find your asymptote. And your asymptote comes from the numbers beside x inside of the parentheses. You just say x plus 4 equals 0, and if you solve, x equals -4. So, once you know this, you know that your graph will have a vertical line at -4. The graph will never touch -4. So you can also already tell your domain. The domain will be this asymptote, and it will be x is going to be greater than -4. So nothing will be drawn on the left side of this graph. It will go to the right. The next thing that you will need to know is what's your y-intercept. And to find your y-intercept, x equals 0. So you just say the log of 3, 0 plus 4 minus 4. Well, this is the log of 3 of 4 minus 4. But in your calculator, you need the change of base formula. So you will say the log of the total over the log of the base. So this area right here is rewritten as the log of 4 over the log of 3. And it's still minus the 4 from before. And we can put that into the calculator, and we get the log of 4 divided by the log of 3 minus 4 gives you -2.73. -2.73. So now we can plot this y-intercept. Let's say if this was -1, -2, -3, then we're going to be about here. To find my x-intercept, your x-intercept, you make y equals 0. So the problem is 0 equals the log of 3 x plus 4 minus 4. Well, the first thing you got to do is add the 4. And now you can change it to an exponent, because this is the base, this is your total, and this is your exponent. So we write the 3 to the 4th power equals x plus 4. And 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is 81. And then we'll subtract 4. And x equals 77, which would be way over here somewhere. Now, the last thing we need to know is the direction. If it is a log of a whole number, then the direction will go up and to the right. If it was a log where the base is a fraction, the log would go down to the right. So this is a whole number. So we know we're going to start close to this line and start going up. And that is how your graph looks.